Do you love the idea of having a thriving indoor jungle, but struggle to keep your plants alive? You are not alone. Many plant parents wrestle with overwatering, underwatering, and deciphering their plants' needs. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to happy plants with SmartyPlant. These innovative sensors take the stress out of plant care by monitoring their every need. SmartyPlant is a game-changer for plant parents. Here's what it does. Real-time monitoring. These smart sensors track vital plant data like moisture, light levels, and temperature. Data-driven insights. SmartyPlant analyzes the data and sends personalized notifications directly to your phone, letting you know exactly what your plant needs. Personalized plant care tips. No more endless Googling. SmartyPlant provides customized watering schedules, light recommendations, and even alerts you when it's time to fertilize. But how do you get your hands on these plant-saving sensors? SmartyPlant is currently seeking funding through a Kickstarter campaign. Crowdfunding allows innovative projects like SmartyPlant to come to life with the support of passionate plant enthusiasts like you. By backing SmartyPlant's Kickstarter campaign, you become part of their journey. You'll get early access to SmartyPlant sensors at a discounted price and be among the first to experience the future of plant care. Imagine the possibilities. Confident plant parenthood. SmartyPlant empowers you to care for your plants with confidence, knowing exactly what they need. Thriving indoor jungle. Say goodbye to wilting plants and hello to a vibrant, healthy collection of greenery. Save time and money. SmartyPlant helps you avoid overwatering, underwatering, and wasted resources, saving you time and money in the long run. Ready to give your plants the love they deserve and become a confident plant parent? Head over to the link in the description below to learn more about SmartyPlant and join their Kickstarter campaign. Every contribution helps them reach their goal and bring this revolutionary plant care solution to the world. Don't miss this chance to be a part of something truly innovative and help your plants thrive. Support SmartyPlant on Kickstarter. Be a confident plant parent and grow happy greenery.